Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisi. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So listen y'all, it's like, well, today is Saturday. And actually I was gonna pick up the camera earlier today, but I did because me and my daughter, we actually went and took pictures or whatever, but we're gonna go back tomorrow and take them. So I may include some of that in here, I don't know. But yeah, I'm starting the vlog off very, very late. It's just late, child. It's late. So right now we about to eat us some cinnamon rolls or whatever. Y'all. I be trying to clean. Hold on. Every time I get on this camera, I have to clean my camera lids off. But I be trying to clean my house. And every time I clean it up, like I said before, stuff just be out of place. And I just don't understand why. I really don't understand why. Why should a girl have to clean so much? I have come to the conclusion that I am OCD. So why do I have to clean so much? Because I'm OCD. No, but for real. Yeah, I gotta find something for my stomach or like my gut or something. I don't know. But I'm naturally slim. Naturally slim. So, of course, your girl is trying to get thick. With a Q, not a K. No matter what I eat, I'm super full. Like, I can just start eating and I'll be super full. And I really don't like that. So I'm really trying to make a conscious decision when it comes to my health and my weight, all that good stuff. So yeah. Even though I did say we was about to eat some goddamn cinnamon rolls, but mind your business. Mind your business, okay? Let me be great today. But yeah, I really gotta do something about that. I gotta figure out what it is. And I be on TikTok because you know the girls on TikTok be putting you on. Baby, who needs Google when you got TikTok? So yeah, I'm gonna find something that I can try and something that I can put on. Well, not put on, but something that I can use or eat or whatever, drink, I don't know. Something. So I can get rid of this gut, honey. I'm going to work out where, let me set y'all up. Okay, so I have, what was I saying? My body type is I'm very slim. Like, the only weight that I have on me, literally, but the only weight that I have on me is my stomach. Once I lose this stomach, my waist is going to go in. You know what I mean? So y'all will be able to see this ass for real, for real. But that's neither here nor there. But I got to do something because I always feel so bloated and I just really don't understand why. Like, I'm sitting here looking at myself in the mirror. And yeah. Gots to go. Gots to go. But yeah, I think I'm about to clean up before I put these things in the oven. And then I'll probably come back and talk to y'all. If I don't come back tonight, I'm not going to come back tonight. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not going to come back tonight. But I will come back tomorrow because tomorrow we are going to go and try and take some more pictures tomorrow. Granted, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep my hair in a bun because your girl forehead is a little too big for all that. Just to be honest. Just to be honest. That ass is fat, baby.
Done saying I'm done playing. Last time was on the outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls. End up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. Moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there. Word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at Warehouse in 09 like it's fun coming. Dead going there. These days, I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rub for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed now. Talking to her like this drop and a million copies get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath, you're too worried about being the best.
So hey y'all, welcome back. Today is Saturday. Let me go this way. Oh, I can't see, child. I can't see.
Today is Sunday.
Oh, today is Sunday. Anywho, we are out here trying to take pictures, and I would insert the ones that are actually cute when we actually. It's really hot because we're standing in the sun. Let me get somewhere. No, I am not outside of my house, so mind your business. It's really hot right there. Come back. She didn't even have to come in this way. Let me stand right here. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. So I got my shade. Okay. Now, good in the sun for so long. But we're in here. We're taking pictures. And we're like in the medical district, I guess. I don't know. But I wish I can prop y'all up to see how we taking these pictures. I'm gonna try, so y'all just stay tuned for that. It's really hot, and I got on. Oh, this door is really open. I wish they actually looked like something I would actually go in. But we'll be back. Okay. So we are headed to the next location for us to take some more pictures because we're done with this location, even though it's cute. Just come on. It was really cute over here. So, what my keys? Now we're finna go to the next location and do something else. Whew! It's hot. Oh, it's hot. Shit. I didn't think it was gonna be this hot. Yeah. Woo. And I had on my damn Ugg boots and child. Let me roll the window down. It ain't that hot. Where I can't roll the window down. But we'll see y'all at the next location. So y'all, we're at the next location. Let's see. It's some good locations out here, but this city be busy as hell for no reason. Come on. It don't matter. It's not really cute over here. We were trying to find a third location, but it doesn't look the way it used to look. So we're gonna go somewhere else.
Oh, I know you feel that.
I don't know what you feeling.
I just feel the raindrops.
London said she's feeling raindrops.
I am.
I don't think you are. Okay. Gonna go down here and see what they got down here. Everybody is out taking pictures, I see, in exclusive locations. So yeah, we're back home. And not that I be tired, but whatever. So I think we took some pictures on London's phone. I may insert them on the screen because her screen is real jacked up. So I'm gonna see.
Hi guys.
Where is your damn photos at, London?
Where are you?
Where? That ain't how I was trying to go to it. So we did take a couple pictures, and I did find some little spots where I can take more pictures. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just play around with those and see what I like. Of course, one will be in the thumbnail. You guys have already saw that. But other than that, today, the rest of the day, I'm not really doing anything else. I get it. The rest of the day, I'm not doing anything else.
Just a couple of them, because you took a lot. Let me see, so right here.
Can you, your AirDrop doesn't work?
AirDrop.
So, hey, y'all. Yeah. I just wanted to come back and properly end the video. So, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna love it here. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. And I'm gonna go for the record and go ahead and say this. I'm trying to post Mondays and Wednesdays, maybe Saturdays. I'm not sure yet, but Mondays and Wednesdays for sure. Or Thursday. We'll figure it out. I know it's definitely Monday. So if you made it this far in the video, drop a heart. Drop a heart in the comments. But anywho, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I will put that handle right here. But yeah, bye.